Hello, my name is David Figueroa and I will be expressing my opinion. It is unreal that yelling is contagious because a person can jam when they are hungry, tired, or sleeping. So, if your formation does not fulfill, it is impossible for someone or jam. The next, it is true that when you're talking to plants for a short time will help them grow better because when we're talking to them we provide them with the carbon dioxide that help the growth. Continue. Using a cell phone can cause fuel at gas station. I think that is unreal argument because I have I have seen many times that they use a cell phone at the gas station. Finish.